Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the heavy lifting so you don't have to when it comes to making those tough purchasing decisions. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera. Let's call it Hiturbo. And on the right, the Lee Idea brushless motor drone, which we'll nickname Lee Idea. Buckle up because things are about to take off. First up, let's talk camera quality. Hiturbo comes with a 1080p camera. It's like that reliable friend who takes decent photos on your nights out. You can point it up, down, and all around. Perfect for getting that aerial shot of your neighbor's questionable backyard decor. However, some users noted a bit of lag in the camera feed, but overall, it's fun and functional. But then we have Lee Idea, which boasts a 4K Sony sensor camera. This bad boy can capture every single detail, from your dog's fur to that embarrassing bald spot you didn't know you had. It's like going from VHS to Blu-ray. Reviewers love its high resolution and quality, despite some experiencing scratches on the lens. If you want Instagram-worthy shots, Lee Idea is your go-to. Next, let's talk battery life. Hiturbo gives you 2 batteries, each lasting about 12 minutes. That's 24 minutes to impress your friends or crash into your neighbor's tree. Take your pick. Users appreciate the quick charging time and find it suitable for short flights. Lee Idea, on the other hand, offers 2 1,200 mAh batteries, giving you a total of 20 minutes. Not quite as long, but hey, quality over quantity, right? Plus, the batteries are modular and safer, so you won't have to worry about them catching fire mid-flight. Always a plus. Now, let's see how these drones handle. Hiturbo can be controlled via remote or your smartphone. You'll need to connect to the Hiturbo FPV app to capture those epic shots. But beware! You have to disconnect the remote to use some app features. It's like trying to juggle while riding a unicycle. Reviews highlight its ease of use, especially for kids. Lee Idea, however, uses 5G Wi-Fi FPV for a smooth connection, even up to 1,000 feet away. It's like having a drone with a built-in GPS that actually works. And with features like 360 degrees obstacle avoidance and gesture control, it's practically the James Bond of drones. Just wave your hand, and it follows your command. No, it won't fetch you a beer, but close enough. Reviewers appreciate its advanced features, although some have experienced issues with obstacle avoidance. For those of you who are drone newbies, Hiturbo is like the tricycle of drones. No manual pairing required, just turn it on and fly. Perfect for kids and adults who are still kids at heart. Reviews praise its ease of use and stability, making it a great starter drone. Lee Idea might sound more complex, but with headless mode and one-button takeoff and landing, it's like having an autopilot. Plus, the advanced optical flow positioning makes you look like a pro, even if you have no idea what you're doing. While some users found it difficult to control, others appreciated the responsive customer service and helpful setup instructions. Overall, the Hiturbo drone is praised for its ease of use, durability, and suitability for both children and adults. It's a fantastic starter drone with a decent camera and good flight time. The Lee Idea brushless motor drone, on the other hand, offers advanced features and higher camera quality, making it ideal for more serious drone enthusiasts. However, it has received mixed reviews regarding its durability and ease of control. So there you have it, folks. If you're a beginner looking for a fun and easy way to get into drone flying, Hiturbo is your guy. But if you want to take your aerial photography to the next level and feel like a secret agent, Lee Idea is definitely worth the extra bucks. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Drop a comment below on which drone you'd pick and why. Until next time, fly smart, buy smart. Product links are in the description.